welcome back to another makeup tutorial. In this one, we all know how much I kind of suck doing voiceovers, but we're just going to jump right in. I already have the foundation and concealer and powder already on my face, so I'm jumping right over to the lid. And first starting off with this NYX Prismatic shade in pink. I'm not sure of the name exactly, but it's really pretty. It's one of the single shades that you can buy individually. And I'm sticking that in the crease as well as the outer crease of the eye. And then jumping right over to the BH Cosmetics palette in Take Me to Brazil. I'm using the prismatic white shade from this and sticking that all over my eyelid. You might want to prime your eyelid before this. I think I did before, but I've also been sitting on this tutorial for a couple of months now. I filmed it, I think around January time, so as if at the time. But moving right along, I'm taking this other prismatic shade from NYX, another one of their individual little mini shades, and I believe this is in the color Tin, but I'm sticking that right over top of where we put the white from the BH Cosmetics palette thing. Do the same thing on the other eye, and then we will move on. This is kind of like a cut crease, and I really enjoy doing these. It breaks up the color, makes it look really pretty. You know, that entire thing. So next I'm taking this, it's like a prismatic liquid white eyeliner type of thing from Hard Candy. It is very pretty. I love the shade, and I'm just using that to go ahead and line the top crease, furthering that cut crease. Just look at it shimmer, look at it shine. I don't use this stuff enough, and I probably should. Once you are done with that, we are going to be moving on to the eyelining portion. Now, I have been using a lot of liquid eyeliner recently. You don't have to, you can use a felt tip pen. I think that I have more control using the liquid eyeliner. Keep in mind, it does take a little bit of practice to get it down, but once you do, it is phenomenal. It works great. So I'm just making little wings on the ends of my eyes and then just bringing that along the top waterline, if you will. It's kind of like the same thing that you do like in every tutorial. I usually only do this because I do wear a lot of fake eyelashes and it just blends in easier. So on top of that, the next step is going in with the Full Throttle sticks, I guess, from NYX. I'm not really sure the exact name of these, but I'm using the one in pink to go ahead and contour my cheekbones with. And then just blending that out with a beauty blender. I started using these, I think, back in December for, it was the Winter Decora Elf, was the first time that I actually used the blue stick, and I really enjoyed how creamy it is, so I wanted to use it for this look as well. But, going back over that, in the Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm choosing one of the brownish red shimmer shades and just furthering the contour up near the hairline. Darkening it up just a tad, just a tiny bit. And then I'm also using that same shade to contour the forehead, which you can't really see because of the wig, but you know it's there, just in case your wig kind of shifts. Going in with the NYX Jumbo White Eyelining Pencil, I am just sticking that on the bottom waterline. This is kind of like an anime-esque look, and using white on the bottom waterline will kind of brighten your eyes and make them bigger a little bit, so that is what we are achieving. But going in with that same little shimmery prismatic shade, I'm popping a little bit of that onto my nose, and it adds like a little rosy feel, you know? Next is to apply those eyelashes. I have been using very, very voluptuous eyelashes, and I love them. I love the volume that they give. I can't stand, you know, like natural looking eyelashes. I love the way that these look. So I'm just popping those on and then we will move on. With the mascara, of course. So I like doing my mascara, as I've said in many a tutorial, after I put my false lashes on. That way my natural lashes will blend in easier with the falsies. I've noticed that when I do put mascara on beforehand, it kind of makes a bigger mess than I intend, so I just wait and savor that moment after. And then go ahead and line your bottom waterline. I decided to, on top of the jumbo white pencil, just take a little bit of black on the outer lower waterline, about maybe like 1/4 to a half. It gave it like a nice little blend in. Moving on to the lips, I am choosing this deep purple shade from NYX. This is one of their like travel size things of it, I guess. But I'm using that. We're going to be creating an ombre lip. As you guys know, I love my ombre lips. So I'm popping that onto the entirety of the top lip and then leaving that big center gap open for the pink. Here's where we put that pink on. This is like a very, very Barbie-esque pink. So I just kind of smear it onto that little empty spot and then dab it to blend it in with the, you know, the purple. On top of that, I am adding a little bit of glitter. Just pop on some of the glitter primer from NYX and then go ahead and stick on some glitter. I just chose pink, I guess craft glitter. If you use craft glitter, only stick it on your skin. Do not stick it anywhere near your eyes, because if you get that shit inside, it will potentially cut the outer layer of your eye open. That is a big no-no. Do not do it. Be careful. Technically, you could say that I'm kind of just using the glitter as a highlighter, and then I'm also popping that onto my lip as well. I'm putting pink where the pink is, and then I'm putting purple glitter where the purple is. It turned out super amazing. So if you guys want to try this, once again, beware, just don't get it inside of your mouth because it just won't be a fun time. But you know, I live life on the edge. I live life dangerously, and I really like glitter, so that is what we did. This also kind of furthers the ombre look, at least for me. You can go in with a little makeup remover wipe and kind of just clean up the edges with it, but I loved the overall effect that the glitter gave on the lip, so I'm really happy with doing it. It was kind of like a last minute idea. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Once you are done glitterifying your lips, we're going to be popping right back over to that pink shade. And what I decided to do, again, last minute, was just take it down to my neck, and that way it'll bring the entire look from pink to pink to pink. I always hate leaving the neck just left out. It's just like this weird feeling that, you know, if you kick your face and you leave your neck exposed, it just turns out kind of weird. Now going in with a little bit of highlighter, this is the Liquid Unicorn highlighter from Hard Candy, and I decided to go ahead and stick that in between the contour and the glitter for an extra little pop of, you guessed it, shimmer and shine. But I mean, this is an anime vampire, so screw fucking Twilight. We're just going for cute vampire. Cute anime-esque vampire, yeah. Once you're done sticking a bunch of highlighter on your face, I decided to go into the Bring Me to the Brazil palette again. I love the black in this palette, so I took that on an eyeshadow brush and then just popped it into the outer crease a little bit, kind of darkening the entire look, bringing the dark aesthetic forward, and I thought it just completed it further. That way it kind of turns it into a smoky eye, a little bit, outer crease smoky eye. Once you are done with all of that, then you are pretty much done with the look, and I hope you enjoy.
H-U-F-F, puff and I puff, blow like snow when the cold winds blowing. Zoom, I hit the mic like boom. Wrote a song about it, like to hear it go. Style will hit you, wham, then goddamn, you be like, oh shit, that's the jam.